Hello guys, good morning. How are you? Uh, so last time my video was very short and just wanted to tell you about how easy and predictable the options trading can be. And we this video is basically a continuation of that, but I'll try to keep it simple and short so that whatever knowledge we want to discuss about it, we keep it simple. Okay, and several factors in this are may not be discussed in detail, but what you have to understand is try to take things like a beginner, like a newbie or somebody. Okay, so so let's start the video from here. So anyways, this today's trade is still going. Okay, anyway, so it's a good time. So see, today's videos, this video's target is to make you understand or know that. See, in today's video we're going to discuss that how simple it can be if we consider one strategy, you can call it, or a factor. Okay, and we use that to see how it's going to work. Okay, and based on that we try to get some levels, use some levels, and see how market responds to that. This thing actually works. I mean, more visible in Nifty. You can trade in Bank Nifty also, but using Nifties. Okay, so because most of the times the retracements you see, or the levels, support or resistance, actually it works. Okay, it may look like Bank Nifty is going, for example, Nifty is at day's high, and then it is falling then, but in Bank Nifty you may find that it has crossed it just broke that day's high and it is moving up. So it's a confusing this thing. Okay, but using Nifty you can predict that, okay, from here it may come down again. Okay, that there is a very good chance. I'm not saying every time it will happen, but most of the times this thing happens. Okay, so we discuss this in see, any time frame you can take it, but I'm taking it in 5 minutes time frame so that it's easy for me to like show you guys here. You can do it in you can do it in one minute time period, time frame, or a 3 minutes time frame, or 15 minutes time frame. It's up to you, but you have to find out. Okay, in 5 minutes no, it's easy for us to use these levels. Okay, based on that I'm going to discuss today. So for our comfort, what are we going to do is, along with that we are going to use these horizontal lines. Okay, so from where? Okay, let's start from here. Okay, so basically what we are going to do here today is take the 5 minutes candle, first candle of the day, and use the day's high and low of that day. Okay, so yeah, I'm taking this rectangle here. Let's say this candles. Okay, I'm actually using opening and closing of that candle, right? So this is more accurate than covering the entire length including the shadow. If you see this, okay, so you see what we see here is, we took this and then there was a retracement here. So what you can do is, here you can either wait for I mean, if you have doubt that market may move up from here, then you can wait. Obviously you can wait till it goes into that range. Okay, otherwise what you can do is, from here you can simply take a PE trade. See, stop loss may happen, may not happen. That is not in our hands. This is the most basic thing we should understand, is we cannot fight with the market. We have to go with the market. Okay, so what we can do is, here in this particular style, what we do is strategy, or you call it, you have to take a PE trade here. You may want to take it. Okay, it depends on how you see the market. Okay, based on my experience, this thing. Okay, not because it has gone PE today here, I'm just saying in general. Okay, and then if I couldn't take the PE there, I missed that opportunity. Okay, then here Right now I do not have any levels or anything here, but if we go back in time and then we see, definitely there can be some levels. We will try that every time we use see a support or resistance or a horizontal line. We'll come back to this day today and see if no it is applicable here today. And now what happens is, see here, the market has come here, okay, and then again I would have taken PE here. The reason is simple. One is it's days high, closing candle it's somewhere here, okay. That's not, it's not very clear in this no yesterday's, I mean last trading day's candle, but that's what the logic is. So I would have definitely taken here. Here maybe loss it would be, but again this fall would have given me some profit. That depends on the quantity I'm taking and strike price I'm taking, right? So again, if you see from here, this should be our exit point. One candle or 5 candles doesn't matter. So that level we have to exit, okay. And then what about this move, you may ask? Okay, this move, how do we predict this move? This is very tough. That's for another day. But if you master in know several strategies, to use many strategies at once, then this is definitely, because if we see, let's draw a horizontal line, right? So if you see here, okay, from here market has bounced from here, okay. So you could have taken, maybe suppose you must be thinking that, yeah, from here I'll take a short CE or something very quickly, I'll make some money and get out of it. You could have thought of it, okay. That's one thing. Anyways, so EMS I'll just exit, close this, hide these EMS. Right now we are not discussing about it, okay. So this is today's. Let us go back. This was yesterday's, okay. So here if you see, even here if I take only to this level, okay, opening and closing of first 5 minutes candle, you can still see that this is very much working here, right? This thing, it's working here. It's that simple. Like you have to, you definitely have to wait, okay. There is nothing like you can quickly whenever you open the market, you will see some kind of movement and you can take the trade. That is a different much higher advanced level. You have to reach to that level, then it will definitely work for you also, right? In the same way, what we see this was yesterday's mark, right? But it worked very well today also. You see this green candle, it went only till there, and we go to the previous day, okay. 10th, 9th. See, 9th was crazy. This one, if you see, we'll just use the this thing, horizontal line here, okay. You see here, right? So since the market did not go anywhere that place, you can definitely take that. This range market didn't go only after that, right? You could have simply used this one. This, I'll tell you which mark it is. That's previous day's mark, okay. So it is still there. If the market would have gone till here, that's a good place to buy, take a PE, right? I mean, here mostly we would see PE because the market is falling continuously from last 2 weeks. So obviously we would think that we will see that, okay. And this mark, why did it come here, is this again the main support or resistance point on 9th was this area, right? So in this area we took that mark and we use that, we have extended that. So on 10th also it went till here and then came down. I'm not using, if you see, I'm not using every mark here, okay. So okay, here there is one place, so we can go here. No, we want to catch the big move possibly, okay. That's what some call as swing also, right? Swing trading also. And then here if you see, this was actually I do not remember exactly when I did this, but if you observe this closely, this is basically this level where the market is like not moving much, kind of stagnant. Okay, but you will understand that this is the place where when the market price comes to this place, this is where actually you can take take a possible trade, like no uh, upper side or lower side. uh, I mean, if this has done this circuit, I mean, probably people will think that from here market may move upwards, right? But what it did is it came down. Stop loss, obviously, we can't do anything there. Okay, the market opened here again today. If you see this, okay, I don't know why we have done this. Okay, this is for 8th first 5 minutes candle ka closing. And if you see this may look like here not working, and this part, if you see, this is not working. Maybe you may have taken P here and stop loss hit. But what you have to understand is stop loss hit hota hai, that means stop loss hit hona hi hai. That you have to fix in your mind, because perfectly 100% accurate trades taking that is highly impossible with the resources we have. And people who have like very good resources and technology, I mean, if you're watching my video, obviously you right now you do not have that. Maybe in future, I wish you good luck, but this is what it is. Okay, we will discuss about trend lines and other things, and EMAs or Bollinger Bands, how to see that, that also sometimes it's like confusing. I mean, should you take, should you not take? Okay, that we will discuss further, like in coming videos. Okay, first we have to understand these levels, right? So, and one more important thing what we have to understand here is, this is for another video, but I just want to quickly tell you. Okay, if you see here for 30 minutes or something, the market was here below this mark, right? And next day the market opens below that range. Okay, in that case you can definitely consider this mark as a proper resistance. So here, this first 5 minutes candle we have taken, it's very simple. First 5 minutes candle opening and closing, you see here very clearly. Okay, done. If you have missed that also, maybe here, see here, what we have to understand is, when it comes to this level, you should not have doubts if you are going with this basic thing. Okay, you buy a PE here and then the market moves up, that's okay. That's the stop loss, you're not, is a loss you're taking that day, it's worth it. But if you see it didn't go there, it actually fell down, and that's a profit. I'm giving an example, even if it goes up, right? And then if you see last 5 minutes or 4 minutes candle, 5 minutes candle of previous day, last candle, that also actually makes sense in most of the time, because you see this is some level, gives you some idea that okay, market may find some kind of resistance here if the market is trying to move up there, and most of the time it is pending here underneath that level. So we are forced to, I mean, we should force our brain to understand what is happening there, and wait for the opportunity and take the trade, right? Okay, I'll keep it here. Okay, so this thing here, this is very confusing, and the market was very stagnant that day. This is Nifty, remember this is Nifty, but based on this Nifty, you can always take trades in Bank Nifty also, because most of the times Bank Nifty and Nifty mimics each other, most of the cases. What you'll end up doing is invest more in Bank Nifty. If you have to buy the same number of quantities in Bank Nifty, you have to put in a lot of money, but then again your profit also like lot, right? So if you are a beginner, then I would recommend go with Nifty. So what we see here is, though this marketing is this market today, I mean on the May 2nd, I think first was holiday, so May 2nd, if we see, that's the level actually the market was struggling, okay. But I would say here, since see, this is a different parallel trend line I have done, so I can see literally it broke that and it is coming down. So I'll be little consent to buy PE there. But anyways, buying a PE also have not done any good there. But I will not buy that. Okay, if the market has moved here till here, that's, and if you have bought the CE, that's luck, or we can say like, no, doing what you believe in, right? And see, when you have these what we call candles, first 5 minutes candles very small, no, so that's when actually the confusion is what to do here, okay. I mean, if the candle is very low, that low, I mean, you can ignore that. Sometimes it works, man, but I do not see it. See, that day I could have definitely used this mark as a support level. Okay, I would have waited, if the market comes to this level I will buy it, but market never came, and I think this is a much better place actually, okay. See, this is now after the market, it is easy, but on that day I would have stick to this and waited for the market to come down. It never came down, and done. And but the thing is, what is the time here? Around 2:30. After 2:30, the market started to fall, and 3 o'clock. By 3 o'clock, it actually crossed this line, right? After that, it fell. I would have definitely either taken a CE here, or there are other things also to observe, that again we will discuss in a different video. Based on that, I would have taken a P here. That day actually I have thought of taking a P. Just want, for your information, just I want to tell that I do not trade much, because at home I have a lot of work to do, and the days I take the trade, I have to sit from 9:15 or 9:30 till at least by 9:45 I would come, and had to sit till 3 o'clock. So I do not take much trades, maybe 4 or 5 trades in a month, but I want to do it full time. Okay, so this already we have come till 26th or 27th or something, right? So what we do is, we'll just go back, okay. This trend line, I don't know, the horizontal line, where we use that, I do not remember, but that actually worked, okay, if you see. So what are we going to do now is, we will quickly go back to this place, recent days, and anyway, so this is a quick recap. First 5 minutes of the candle you take, you see, you try to find the opportunities, if it is there or not, okay, you'll see, based on that you take the trade. And this one I'll remove it for now, and we see this, okay. And 22,695, I think here we have taken, right? So this actually worked here. This we have taken as candles closing of previous days, previous trading days, first 5 minutes candle. It actually gave us some idea, like, no, there can be some resistance or support here, that and it actually worked. You see, even after market is done for that day, if you see these levels, this actually worked. This is very simple, but if you, in between the trades, you're somewhere here, you're waiting, okay, where it'll go, should I take, that will no, spoil your mindset. You'll be what we call impatient, and want to try take the trades quickly, want to see some money, that will actually spoil your mood. So here also we have seen that first 5 minutes candle, and then we see this place, okay, blindly we go and buy it. Then we have to move further back to see when the market was actually rising, right? So we have to go observe that also. Okay, let's see. This is pointless, this one. But let us see if the market has started falling from here. We'll take the closing here. We'll see if that had any no use in the future. Okay, okay, where is it? Okay, where is it? Okay, it has come. Oh, see here. Okay, so this part here, definitely if the we have taken the closing of the candle, but if you would have taken opening of the candle, definitely that would have given a proper I mean more accurate idea about what you should do there, right? And similarly, see this here. Okay, this trend line we have sorry, horizontal line we had taken somewhere else, but if you see this, actually this place has worked here. Okay, and see these kind of days where it's a trend, that entire day the market was moving up or the entire day market was moving down, you cannot do much here. Then you have to understand that you cannot fight the market and you have to give up there. Okay. So today here, I mean, sorry, on that day, even some of my friends who are actively trading, they said they also have seen a huge loss because of this candle. I don't know what happened to my mobile. Why did it come? Okay, I missed this, man. Where was I? I think somewhere here. Okay, I think here I was. Okay. So on this day, people have seen a huge loss market here. So see, when you fix your mind that I will trade only at this place at this point, then you would actually wait and do not take trades like in places like this. Okay, because you're not sure, and this whole strategy is about taking the trades when you're not sure about what the market is going to do. Then you apply this rule that I am going to buy here or sell here and then stay quiet, right? And if you similarly see, if I little bit if I move it upwards, you see here the previous days. Okay, this was days lows on that day, and if you see here, that's a good point, right? It's a good mark that you can know without thinking much, you could have taken a trade there, right? And similarly, on this day I don't see much here, but yeah, so once this thing is crossed it, just a moment guys, so let me draw a line here so it's easy for me to see the day, the day's candles closing we have taken. And once no, this has crossed that. Okay, this is for another day. Like I said, this is kind of, since I have prepared for only for this strategy today, it is tough for me also to know explain you. And let's see here what is happening here, what happened here. Okay, great. I don't know why it has come here to me again. Okay, I think I am using the free version of this. So this is what I'm trying to say is very simple guys. You have to initially at least, or if you have seen a lot of losses recently and you do not know every time you're taking the trade it is going wrong, then simply fix with one or two things. Okay, this can be one of them. It's up to you, but this can be one of them. A very simple strategy, you used it, you're waiting here and you put a stop loss. And stop loss, I think you can basically say stop loss not in the sense of options price stop loss. Let's say if you have taken a CE here, right, and then you see the market this candle is going down further, then you should know that if the candle crosses this level, if it goes below this level, then I'm going to exit. That's how it should be. You have to manage that. Okay, and again here if you're taking P in any of these places, then you should say that sorry guys, then if you should think that okay, the next thing is this. Okay, I am waiting till there, and if the market is moving further up, then I'm going to exit from the trade. That's how you have to plan. So yeah guys, so there are a few more things which I want to discuss with you. Obviously my name is Lokesh, and my plan is to to start this YouTube channel, is to build a community of traders for myself, and know we benefit each other by discussing simple trading techniques. If you like those videos, please share it with your friends, or you can save it. And no, you have to build your psychology. To build your psychology, you have to watch the channel videos which you think are making sense. You have to watch them again and again, because once you sit for trading, you will not remember anything. Okay, so for these things to get into your mind, you have to watch these things again and again. That's what we used to do when we are in school and or college, that we go through some of those interesting subjects again and again, even if it is boring, so that we remember that when we go for the exam, right? So that's it guys for today, and hopefully this thing will help you. Let me know in the comments if you want more no examples of this of the same strategy, if we call it, and show you some more examples even in bank nifty. If you want, like I said, you can follow nifty, and you use this nifty no levels, and trade in bank nifty as well. Then 80% of the times it works. Hardly like 20 or 10% of the times it won't work, right? So you can use this, or if you want a separate video on bank nifty as well, please let me know. We'll do it, and we'll if you want it in Hindi language, please do let me know, and I'll make the same video in Hindi as well. Okay, thank you guys, and if you like the video, please do subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.